You can take pictures or videos, ma'am, sir. So, they're all male siblings and are 8 years old.
Lion. Oh my goodness.
So, for their diet, they're fed raw chicken or beef, 5 to 8 kilos per lion.
Kaayod daw mo.
Ayun na.
Ay, ang pula block
Marami sila, ma'am, sir, but only their wilderness, mga blood test naman. At ito sa naglakaw ko ay, lingkod ba?
Wow, amazing.
The lion. It's so cool.
Alright, please now hold onto the grappars.